I will show you 3 or 4 Shopify stores, then you will tell me which Shopify stores you like or not, okay? Then I will tell you exactly step by step the mistakes and what you don't need to do, okay? If you want to success in Shopify dropshipping in this year, please don't do this basic mistakes, okay? Or if you want to fail, then do this, okay? Just follow these stores and do these mistakes, okay? So this is the stores, just see what they are selling, okay? So this is the stores of Koji Bunnies, okay? This is a store homepage. Then I will go to the next store, okay? Wow, nice, you can see, okay? This is the stores. But why I said nice, you can see the mistakes, okay? Product example title, and they also did rant some days ago Facebook ads, but this is the homepage design, okay? You can see. Next store is, okay, this is also a store that you can see the domain is luminate.myshopify.com, okay? And next store is glamitful.com, okay? They run Facebook ads 363, okay? And this is their stores design. Only this is the home page. So if I see in the home page, okay, the home page design is, this is only track your order, okay? So just comment below which stores you like or dislike, okay? As a customer, you are a customer, okay? I'm think that you are a customer, not a dropshipper. So which stores you like? But if you are a good dropshipper, you will not like any of them, okay? I'm coming, okay? So this is a store that is making a big mistakes. I want to share with you that they are selling the product that is clothing product, okay? Cozy Bunnies Tokyo t-shirt, okay? And this is a product that cleaning product, and this is the size chart, product size chart, okay? So if we go on catalog, okay, this is the catalog, okay? So the mistake is the product is not good, okay? The product is t-shirt, or like they are selling custom printing t-shirts, but this is very saturated and very high competition product, okay? Very big brand store selling this types of product. So this is a new store. This store's opened at last month, I mean the March, this is April, okay? And they chose this product. They thought that, wow, we can sell this product. No, this is not like that, man. You have to find out very unique, very wow factor, very good product that is not high competition, okay? So number 2 store is, this is the store that this is the home page. So customer when come to the home page, wow, this, as a customer, a kid customer, a little customer can also understand that this is a very bad product store, okay? So you can see that if you go on shop now, then you can see that they are selling also very general, common, very high competitive product, okay? The clothing product, okay? So this is a mistake, that products and also store design. And number 3 store is, you can see that this is the homepage design, that the slide, image slide, tell your brand story. I mean, as a kid's boy, as a 2 years, 3 years little boy, he also will thought that this is very not professional store. They are just they are just learning, okay? Learning how to start a business. And you can see that they are running ads, okay? I think they are running still ads. Oh, it's US based store. I don't know why US people are doing these mistakes, okay? For live ads, they are still running ads, but this is the store design, you can see, okay? So I am not understanding what they're doing. They are starting this business, they started on 2 months ago, but this is the progress, you can see. Oh my god, okay? And the product, if I go, no product pages, where just a slide, okay? No, man, it's not good. So next store is Glamitful. They run 363 ads, okay? This is the homepage design. if we go on a catalog, okay, then you can see that in catalog this is also same, okay, but this store is active, still active. They did run ads, okay, almost 400 ads you can see. So my friend, the mistakes they did, like no good product choosing, product page, store page, not good design, and overall this is not a brand new, okay. So please don't do these mistakes if you want to success, okay. So thank you so much. I will show you 3 or 4 Shopify